Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on onDashcam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one. Pay close attention at the action from across the road. A driver in a white truck pulled out in front of the moving traffic, and a really bad situation unfolded as a result of his pullout. While changing lanes, always make sure to indicate on time and check your side mirrors before proceeding with a lane change.
What the f? You just... You just went off or what? That's cool.
The driver in a Toyota wanted to play a game of brake check with the camera, but it didn't go down quite well with him, and it even came to a rear-end accident. Check out what happened later on. Pay close attention at this champion right here. He was tired of waiting for the ramp to lift, so he forced his way.
Run it through. Right now.
Io Luís, não ouviste nada dele? Ih, caralho! Caralho, pá! Que coisa!
Que foi?
Big accident right here.
In browsing history as usual. Various implementation of request OTR protects the user in the following ways. User is prompted and proactively asked upfront whether they wish to have their visit forgotten after they leave. The user is protected the entire time they're
If you think that drinking and driving is cool, well, this video is for you to watch.
Dude! What are you doing?
This rude driver pulled out in front of the camera without bothering to look at all, and it came to a crash. More shocking fact is that the driver who pulled out in front even lied to the cops.
It is if it's going to the dog.
You son of a...
Did we hit him?
I think this is like the third time I heard this song. You can get something on your Spotify if you want. Spotify system. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? We have to go police station.
Driver turned left without checking both lanes, and because of his careless move, he got hit.
Yeah, we're just getting started. There's plenty of time for it to nosedive again.
As the camera got into a garage to find a parking spot, she was in for a surprise. Another driver came way too fast around the corner and it came to a head-on collision.
God. Jesus.
Driver ran a red light at a high rate of speed and he hit the back end of a Jeep. Even though it was night and the intersection looked to be empty, it still came to an accident. Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.